silver futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We're dipping into negative MACD territory. As we extend that to the 4-hour chart, we're in positive MACD, seeing signs of a diverge. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we're in positive MACD, slightly off of overbought levels with the RSI. And as with the trade idea, I'll be trading SLV. My trade position size for is less than 1% of my portfolio, and my long entry is at $21.81, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $23.74. My stop loss is at $21.33. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $24.64. My sell target for it is at $22.33, and my stop loss is at $25.18. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, silver futures has a 36% chance to climb between 0 to 6%, a 55% chance to fall between 0 to negative 6%, a 9% chance to fall between negative 6 to negative 12%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.